Hello and welcome to English Grammar for All. In this video we're going to learn about some idioms with I. So let's start. The first idiom is have eyes in the back of your head, which means to know what is happening all around you, even when this seems impossible. For example, don't try anything funny. I've got eyes in the back of my head. Idiom number 2. Hit someone in the eye or between the eyes, which means to be very obvious or impressive. For example, her talent in painting really hit me between the eyes. Number 3. Keep an eye open or out for, which means to watch carefully so that you will notice when someone or something appears. For example, he asked me to keep an eye out for any houses to rent. Number 4. See eye to eye, which means if two people see eye to eye, they agree with each other. For example, I get on very well with my father. We see eye to eye on most things. Number 5. Close or shut your eyes to something, which means to ignore something or pretend that you don't know it is happening. For example, governments should not shut their eyes to global warming anymore. Number 6. With your eyes shut or closed. This idiom means that you can do something without having to make much effort. For example, I've driven from Cairo to Hurghada so many times. I can do it with my eyes closed. Number 7. There's more to someone or something than meets the eye. This idiom is used for saying that someone has qualities or experience that someone else doesn't know about. For example, I discovered that Jack is a black belt in karate. There's obviously more to him than meets the eye. Number 8. Have eyes like a hawk, which means to notice every small detail or everything that is happening, and therefore be difficult to deceive. For example, Sherlock Holmes had eyes like a hawk. Number 9. Turn a blind eye. This idiom means to deliberately ignore something that you know should not be happening. For example, let us look at this mini dialogue between Anne and Jesse. Anne says, "Robert was rude to you yesterday, wasn't he? Have you spoken to him?" "No, I decided to turn a blind eye to it. He's been under a lot of pressure at work lately." Thank you very much for watching, and wish you all the best.